In this video, I'll show you how to earn monthly interest on cash in your investment account using Wealthsimple. Let's get started. First, open your investment app. For this tutorial, I'll be using Wealthsimple. Then go to the account where your cash is currently sitting. This could be your tax-free savings account, your registered retirement savings plan, your first home savings account, or a regular investment account. Next, tap the search icon and type in CASH. You're looking for the Global X High Interest Savings Exchange Traded Fund. Its ticker symbol is CASH, and it trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Once you open it, you'll see information about the fund, including its current dividend yield. Keep in mind that the yield changes depending on market conditions and interest rates, so the number you see today may be different in the future. One reason many investors like this exchange trade fund is the flexibility it provides. Unlike a guaranteed investment certificate, your money is not locked in for a fixed period. If you need access to your cash, you can simply sell your shares whenever you want. Another advantage is that the fund pays distributions every month. If the current yield is suitable for you, you can go ahead and buy shares. Enter the amount you'd like to invest and complete your order. As long as you own the shares before the ex-dividend date, you'll qualify for that month's payment. The distributions are usually paid at the beginning of the following month, and that's how you can earn interest on cash in your investment account using the Global X High Interest Savings Exchange Traded Fund. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.